Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix DoorDash not placing order issue with some quick and simple methods. If your order is not going through, first check your internet connection because a weak or unstable network can stop the order from processing. Next, make sure your payment method is valid and has enough balance, and try switching to another card or payment option if needed. After that, close the DoorDash app completely and reopen it, or restart your phone to clear temporary glitches. Now check if the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store, because outdated versions can cause ordering issues. Also, verify your delivery address is correct and within the service area. If the problem continues, try clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app. Finally, wait a few minutes and try again, or contact DoorDash support, and your order should go through successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.